बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अच्छा बेटा देखें कि इन हाउ मेनी वेज वी कैन अरेंज ए बी एंड सी। आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं परमुटेशंस विद रेपिटिशन, यानी कि उसके अंदर लेटर्स जो हैं वो रिपीट करेंगे। अब ए बी सी को हम कितने मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से अरेंज कर सकते हैं? ए बी सी, ए सी बी, बी ए सी, बी सी ए बी एंड सी बी ए। अब ये देखें
जी
कि अगर हम ए और बी, ये जो ए बी लिखे हुए हैं, इन दोनों को सेम कर दें, यानी कि इनको ए सी कर दें, तो फिर ये जो पहला ए बी सी लिखा हुआ है ये ए सी हो जाएगा, ये दूसरा ए सी ए हो जाएगा, तीसरा
जी
ए सी हो जाएगा, फोर्थ विल बी ए सी ए, सी ए। नो,
उसने सिर्फ
these are
बस
the
आपने
six
बस बी
choices.
को ए कर दिया ना वो।
Yes. Now two letters are same. Now you can see that AAC are written twice. ACA,
जी
CAA. Now we will
जी
only consider the different one and erase the duplication. Okay.
ठीक है।
Now we are left with only three choices. There are how many ways we can arrange ABC? 3 factorial is equal to 6. ये 6 है. This one is 6,
जी
not 6 factorial. Okay. Now,
ठीक है।
how will we overcome this repetition and find the correct answer? First of all, we will think that all are different. A, C, all are different. If all are different, then the number of ways in which we can arrange them is 3 factorial 6. Okay. Now, how many letters are repeated?
um, सर ए।
A. And how many times? 2 times.
सर 6 दफा।
Twice. A is repeated twice. There
अच्छा
are
एक।
three letters A,
ठीक है
C, and A is
ठीक है
doubled
ठीक है।
and it's twice repeated. दो दफा रिपीट हुआ,
जी बिल्कुल।
तो ये क्या बन
जी
जाएगा? 3 फैक्टोरियल ओवर 2 फैक्टोरियल, यानी कि जो चीज रिपीट
टू
हुई है उसके
फैक्टोरियल।
फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करते हैं। तो ये देखें 3 आंसर आ
ठीक
गए।
है।
ये देखें जी, हमने ओवरकम कर लिया इस चीज को।
जी जी
अब वो कहते हैं कि इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन द लेटर्स इन द वर्ड स्टैटिस्टिक्स बी अरेंज्ड? You can see the repetition
जी
in this word
जी
SSSTTTII. First of all, we
जी
will write down the repetitions. Numbers of S is 3, numbers of T is 3, and number of I is 2. First of all, we will think that all are different. If all are different, they are total 10 letters. So the number of ways in which we can arrange them is 10 factorial. And
जी
we will divide with the factorial of the repetitions: 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial.
टू फैक्टोरियल ठीक हो गया।
S is repeated 3 times, T is 3 times, I is 2 times, so 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. This one is the answer 50400. Is there any question?
नहीं सर।
In how many ways we can arrange the letters in the word statistics? If 3 S are together, we will draw, there are number of S 3, number of T is 3, number of I is 2. We will draw 10 boxes and we will combine 3 boxes. Now the boxes to be arranged are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th is the combined box.
ठीक
8 factorial into. Now we will multiply with the number of arrangements of the combined box, that is 3 factorial. 8 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial.
जी
Now we can see that S is 3 times, T is 3 times, 2 is 2 times. We will divide this one with 3 factorial, 2 factorial, and 3 factorial. This one is the
जी
answer. Now, I will show you More examples. The word is the same statistics. Now we want to find the probability that two eyes are together. We will draw the boxes. We will combine the two i's. Now we have boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 factorial. And for these two i's, 2 factorial. And we will divide this one with 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. What is the answer?
Sir, factorial into 2 factorial divided by 3 into 3. Sir, 10,080.
Okay. 180 आंसर है. ठीक है, 10,080. Now we want to find the probability that two i's are together. The ways in which two i's are together is 100,800, and the total number of ways are 504,000. इसको simplify this one, and please tell me the simplified answer.
अच्छा. 80 है सर, 800 नहीं. So 1/5.
1/5. The probability that two i's are together is 1/5. Now we will use the classic formula for the probability of an event, that is favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 100,80 and total number of outcomes are 5,040. Is there any question?
नहीं सर.
Okay. Now this was repetition of letters in permutation. Now repetition of letters in combination. In how many ways we can select 3 letters from A, B, C, D? These are 5 letters. We want to select 3.
जी.
So the answer is 5C3.
जी.
10. Now what are the selections? Selections are A, B, C, A, BD, A, B, E, A, CD, A, CE, A, D, E. Now B, C, D, B, C, E, B, D, E, and C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 selections out of these 5 letters. Okay.
जी जी
Now, if the letters are A, 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 D, and E. Now you can see the repetition in the given choice. That is A, C, D, E. A is 3 times.
जी
Okay. Now we will replace. We have here we have A, B, C. We will replace A, B, and C with A. Now the first choice is A, and A. The second choice is A, D. The third choice is A, E. The fourth choice is AAD. It's already written AAD.
जी
Now the fourth choice
जी
is AAE.
जी
It's already written.
जी
Now the ADE, AAD,
जी
it's already written.
जी
AAE,
ए ये भी ऑलरेडी रिटर्न है
already written.
हम्म,
ADE,
जी
already written.
जी
ADE, already written. So there are only 4 choices. Different choices are there. Okay.
जी जी
Now, how can we get the answer 4 with the help of calculation? In this question, we will have to assume that we will make cases. Case number 1, 0A, that there will be 0A in the selection. Is this possible? We want to select 3 letters from these 5 and there is no A. We want to select 3 letters from these 5 and there will be no A.
नहीं सर पॉसिबल नहीं है
No, 0 option, 0 choice. 1A, 1A. Now, listen to me very carefully. There are 3 A's. Okay. Out of 3 A's,
हम्म
we will select here 1A. Okay. 3C1. There are 3 A's
ठीक है
and we want to select 1A. Now keep it in your mind that repetition of letter in the case of repetition of letters in combination, when we will select the repeated letter, we will not use this combination. 1A is selected. We will not
सही
use 3C1 here. Now we have 1A. Out of these 2 letters, we want to select 2 letters to complete our selection for 3 letters. Okay, 2C1 is 2C2 is 1. 1 is A and the other 2 letters are D and E. Now we will take the third case, 2 A's. 2 A's. Out of 3, will we write 3C2?
नहीं सर
Yes. In the case of repetition of letters in combination, while selecting the repeated letter, we will not use the combination. Okay. Now we
Yes.
have two A's, and out of D and E, we want to select one, and answer is 2. Now
2 3 1.
we will make another case, that is 3 A's.
3 years.
Will we use 3C3?
जी सर आप कर सकते हैं यूज.
No, we will not use
अभी भी नहीं.
combination on the repeated letters in the question of combination.
ओह
Okay.
सही
Now
सही. जी सर.
there are 3 A's. 3 A's, and there will be no other element from these two, 2C0. Okay. So there is
ठीक है.
only one possibility, that A. Now with 0A
जी.
there is 0 possibility, 1A there is 1 possibility, 2A's there are 2
पॉसिबल.
possibilities, and 3A's there is only 1 possibility. Now the total
1 पॉसिबिलिटी.
number of selections are is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now you can see that we have 4 choices at this place, and with the help of calculation the answer is again 4.
तो
Okay. Now in the past paper there is a,
सही.
now we will write down the rule for this. This one is a rule. In case of repetition of letters in the question of combination, we will not use combination on the selection of repeated letters. Okay, this one is the rule. Now
जी.
there is a question. There is a past paper question. There is a word telephone. Find the number of arrangements such that P and H are at the opposite ends. Now you can see the word arrangement. We will draw the boxes. How many letters are these? 9 letters.
9 लेटर्स.
8. To fill the first box on the left hand side, we have two options. We can fill this one with P or H. So out of two, one will be placed in this box. Now one is
जी
placed in this
जी
box. For the last box, we have only one option because one is already
जी
placed. So 1P1 into
जी
7 factorial divided by,
7 factorial
so divided by,
डिवाइड बाय टोटल नंबर
no, 2 factorial, because there are two E's. Here we have
ओह हाँ हाँ
two E's.
3 नहीं है सर
Yes, we have three E's. 3 factorial.
3 फैक्टोरियल अच्छा डिवाइड रेपिटेशन जो हो रही होती है जिस लेटर की उससे करना होता है
G. Now the question is, next question is, this one is part number 1. The part number 2 is, select 4 letters out of 9. A part is exactly 1 E. Now we want to select 4 letters, exactly 1 E. There are 3 E's. Will we use 3C1 for this E?
जी
In case of repetition of letters in the combination,
सर आपकी आवाज़ कट गई थी एकदम से दोबारा बता दें
will we use 3C1 to select the first E?
जी
Will we use combination on the repeated letters?
नो
So 1 E is selected. Will we use 3C1 for this E?
नहीं सर
नहीं करेंगे. We will not use combination. We will not use combination on repeated letters. So 1 E is selected.
जी
We need other 3 letters, remaining 3 letters.
जी
Now we have uh, total 9. There are total 9 letters. Now there are 6 letters. We are left with 6 letters. From 6, we will select how many? 1 is selected.
3
We want to select 4. Yes, 3. 6C3. Now the B part is exactly 2 E's.
जी
Will we use 3C2 for these 2 E's?
नहीं सर
No. Now from remaining 6, we want to select how many?
रिमेनिंग 6 सर हमने सेलेक्ट करने हैं 3
We want to select 4 letters. 2 E's are selected. From the remaining
2 लेटर
6,
2
yes. Now the C part is no restriction. There is no restriction on the choice of E's. If there is no restriction on the choice of E's, we will make the cases 0E. Yes, 0E. Now, if no E is selected,
जी
out of 6, how
जी
many we want to select?
4
Sorry,
4 सर
4. Yes. In case of 1E, will we use 3C1 for this 1E?
नहीं सर
Yes. And out of 6, how many we need?
6C3
Yes, 3 we need. In case of 2E's, 6E, 2. In case of 3E's, 6E, 1. Can we
61
select 4E's?
नहीं सर
No. So these are the cases, different cases with no restriction. 6E, the answer of 6E4 is
6C4 is 15.
6C3,
20.
6C2, 15, 6C6. So the number of selection of 4 letters from these 9 given letters is 36 and 20, 56. This one is answer. Okay.
ठीक है.
Now you will attempt exercise 3F, question number 1 till 11 and question number 17. Okay. And we will discuss
ठीक
the
है.
problems tomorrow, inshallah. And make sure
Yes.
that questions including arrangement in a circle are not included.
ठीक है.
Questions involving arrangement in a circle is not included. We will leave these questions. Okay.
ठीक है.